The Ministry of Lands says the city-county of Nairobi is to blame for allotting public land to private developers. During a session with the Senate Standing Devolution Committee, Lands Cabinet Secretary Farida Karone, however, said they have embarked on a program to document and title public land in partnership with the county. Mashirima Kapombe reports.
For record.
Following queries by nominated Senator Millicent Omanga over illegal evictions of Nairobi City Water and Sewerage staff quarters in Eastleigh and Pumwani, Land CS Farida Karone was at the Senate on Thursday to provide answers to questions asked on parcels of land whose ownership is in contention. In the report, the lease of a 10.17-hectare parcel on which Pumwani Maternity Hospital is situated expired in 2012. The ministry, stating it has no records regarding application for renewal of the lease, placing the blame squarely on the city-county of Nairobi.
We depend on them for record because they plan an issue and allocate the land to beneficiaries. They only bring their documentation to the ministry for registration because the national government is a guarantor of title, so we have to register that title.
As it stands, Pumwani Maternity Hospital is sitting on land whose leasehold they do not have. At a policy level, to secure public interest, what is it that a public property?
Chairman, normally what happens is you don't just write a letter to ask for the extension of lease. We are supposed to do a ground survey so that at least we can get a new deed plan, although this time now we are not getting deed plans, we are getting parcel numbers, and then get that one.
For money chair, I think when they start the process, we'll help them.
Senators questioned the manner in which public parcels in Eastleigh were leased to private companies once they expired without consideration of public interest.
The fact that the CS has given us, you'll realize that Nomad Resort Limited, a company that was incorporated on 11th of February 2000, was allocated the land in Eastleigh on 9th of March 2000, 1 month after incorporation. And then the deed plans and the registration of title was done 18 years later. So SG Mwangi will have to tell us how that happened.
We get to understand these parcels of land dished out. Because you can't, a valuable parcel of land like this one, then you just lease it with an annual fee of 46,000. So what are we saying? You know, there's no value for money to, you know, and yet this is a public, it's public land.
The ministry, however, stated they have started a program to check the status, document and title public land in Nairobi. So far, 1,500 parcels have been reviewed.
Chair, you will be surprised to note that up till now, Uhuru Park did not have a title. We are working on that. KICC Ground, Central Park. We are working on this, all these public institutions within Nairobi, Chair. And it is because we've picked out these parcels in the process of digital.
The ministry stated the parcel on which Pumwani sits will be leased in 2 weeks. Mashirima Kapombe, Citizen TV.